Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm Bobologist, and in this video we are going to know how to change the icon of our website to make it more professional and realistic. So let's get through in it. A favicon is a small icon or image that appears next to the website title in the browser tab. It helps users easily identify and distinguish between multiple open tabs. It is important to note that the favicon file should be a square image with dimension of at least 16 in 16 pixels and saved in either .ico, .png or .gif format. As you're seeing, this code is a great example of learning how to add icon into your website. The link tag is used to link external resources to an HTML document. The rel attribute specifies the relationship between the current document and the linked resource. In this case, it is set to icon to indicate that the linked resource is a favicon. The type attribute specifies the MIME type of the linked resource. In this case, it is set to image/png to indicate that the favicon is a PNG image. The href attribute specifies the URL of the linked resource. In this case, it is set to favicon.png to indicate that the favicon is located in the same directory as the HTML document. As you're seeing, we did a great job, and here is our icon, and this tutorial of how to create the login form of Instagram is in my channel. You can check it from the card in the top of the page. So thank you all guys for watching the whole video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and comment below for more videos. Love you all guys.